Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. This is my first beauty advent calendar unboxing for you guys for 2021 and I'm excited about it because I love this time of the year. And the first one that I am unboxing is this one by Rituals, the Rituals of Advent. Usually Rituals will come out with two advent calendars, a 2D one and a 3D one. And both of them are always available in the UK, and here in the US we get the 2D version. And this year the color of the advent calendars is yellow. And since I've been getting the 2D version for several years now, I thought, let me hold off this year because it's going to pretty much have the same products as last year. So I was kind of hoping that they would bring the 3D version here to the US because every year, to no avail, we'd always get the 2D version. So then I happened to look upon the Rituals website and lo and behold, they had the 3D version available here for us. Not the 2D this year, but just the 3D. And it's in red. I was kind of a little surprised about that because last year's advent calendars, both of those were in red. So then my thought was kind of like, oh, they're just kind of recycling last year's to this year for us here in the US. I do follow Rituals on Instagram and I asked them about it and they said that it's going to be different this year. So I went ahead and got it. I wasn't planning on getting it this year, but with the 3D version, because it's a beautiful, like a little Christmas village, I went ahead and got it. I love the Rituals products. I really do. Rituals of Tao is my favorite scent. They're discontinuing that scent, but they still sell it on their website. And there's something similar to it. I guess it's the Rituals of Jing. And I have tried that and it smells very similar. So I do love the Rituals products. But if we were just going to get the 2D version this year, I wasn't planning on getting it. But since we got the 3D version, I went ahead and got it. Even though it's red and it's probably recycled from last year. We'll see in the moment if the products are the same as last year. But I'm still excited about it because I really do like that 3D version, the Christmas Village. And this year, the Rituals of Advent, that one cost $112 US, and you're getting 24 products in here that are worth $202 US. So I can't wait to open it, and here is the box again. It comes nicely wrapped if you want to give this as a gift, with a ribbon and a little sleeve here, and on the back it does show the ingredients, and it does have a handle on the top. I did kind of mess around with the camera angle, so I know it's going to be kind of off here. And I'm going to hopefully find a way so I can raise it up so y'all can see it. But let me go ahead and open this for you guys. Let's take off the sleeve. Oh, and it does come with a little tag here so you can say who it's for and who it's from. And that is how it comes. The inside of the cover is the background. Really do love that. Let me just put that off to the side. And I guess here's the ground, I guess, of the Christmas Village. And let's take this off. Comes folded like that. And then here are the houses in this Christmas Village, the 3D version. And the products are inside these houses and the Christmas tree. This is just really cute. All right, let me try to figure how to put this together, take everything out and put this on top, and then insert the houses in these little slots. So we put the lights right here where the lines are and the circles. Okay, got it set up. It did take me about 20 minutes. There was a box of lights with some stickers and you just tape it underneath this white cardboard. I did try to record it and I hope the angle was good and the coloring was good, but this was fun putting it together and it just looks beautiful, just like a winter wonderland. Look at that. That is so cute. I am really excited that they sold this one, that they're selling this one here for us in the US. And it does come with a little light switch here. I don't know if you can see that right there. You do need batteries for it. I realize you do need batteries for this. At nighttime, I'll try to take a video of what this looks like with the lights shining underneath it. Oh, this is going to be so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and start opening with house number 1. Nope, that's 8. Here's house number 1 right here. Let me show you what house number 1 looks like on all sides. That's cute. There is a little saying underneath here, but let's go ahead and open this. I don't want to rip anything out. And the first candle we have is the votive candle. And this is Sweet Jasmine. Oh, that does smell good. Let's see what it says on the bottom of the house here. The first Sunday, experience the calming effect of sweet jasmine by lighting this candle on the first Sunday of your Advent. I think I'm going to put the empty house back in its slot. Okay, so that was day 1. Now let's go for day 2. Day 2 is over here, this house right there. And this one's a taller box. Try not to rip it. Let's see. Do I open it from the top? Let me open it from the top. Oh, looks like we have lipstick. Now, from my memory of seeing unboxings from last year, I don't think so far, just the first 2 contents are not the same. So this is good. This is good. This is not recycled from last year. And I didn't know Ritual sells lipsticks. So this was a nice little treat here. Let me see what shade this is. It's made in the Netherlands. I believe it's just 011. Let's see what it says on the box. Let's see here. It says, pucker up for Santa. Prep, moisture, and protect your lips before applying your festive lipstick shade. Oh, so this is like a balm then. Let's see. It has the little Rituals emblem there. You just push it and it just popped up. Let me do that again. There we go. So this is a lip balm. Oh, that's nice. House number 3 is in the back. Same tall box. And we have our first shower gel here. And this is a new scent that I haven't heard of. It's in a blue bottle. It's a Serendipity. Finding something good without looking for it. I believe this is something new just for the Advent calendar because I don't see it on their website. This scent, I guess, the Serendipity. It says a mini Christmas miracle. Find joy in the beauty of unexpected bliss with our new limited edition Serendipity. It's infused with a magical elixir, 10 sacred oils that will leave your skin feeling cleansed and soft. You know what? I think what I'm going to do is take the ones that I've already opened and just put them to the side here. So I don't get confused and just kind of keep looking, I guess. Now we're on house number 4. We have a body lotion. And this is the Ritual of Ayurveda, which is a beautiful scent. Oh, it's the Instant Care hand lotion. It's hand lotion, not body lotion. And this one is Christmas Harmony. Rebalance of the sweet scent of Indian rose and the soothing effects of Himalayan honey. I'm just going to put some on. Might as well. Oh, that smells so good. Day 5 is right here. Looks to be another votive candle. It's one of the short houses. And it is. And this is the Emperor Rose scent. Oh, that smells good. Doesn't smell like that cheap rose. I think I need to get more into frame here. Sorry. Second Sunday. Light this candle on the second Sunday of December for a merry moment of pure tranquility with the warming scent of Imperial Rose. All right, day 6 is our first Christmas tree. I'm curious to see what's in here and how do we open it. Let me just open it from the bottom. All right, this one, my husband loves this body oil. And it's another one of the Ritual of Ayurveda. Another one I messed up on. This is not the body oil. This is the hair and body mist. Be sweet to your body. This hair and body mist from the Ritual of Ayurveda brings sweet harmony and balance for body and soul. Here's day 7. And we have another shower gel. Oh, and it's the Ritual of Oud. Haven't tried that one. So it has oud and patchouli. It's a foaming shower gel. Santa loves a treat. Revel in the warm embrace of the Ritual of Oud foaming shower gel with oud and patchouli for silky smooth and fragrant skin. Can't wait to try this one. Who knows, maybe I might find a new favorite scent in here. Here's day 8. Let's see. We have conditioner, nourishing conditioner. The Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Get the perfect locks with the Ritual of Sakura shampoo and conditioner. This said shampoo and conditioner, and we just have the conditioner here. Maybe we might get the shampoo later in the Advent. Day 9 is this small one right here. I'm opening this one from the bottom because I don't want to rip the top. Okay, I believe we have a small tube. It's the Ritual of Namaste Glow. It's Radiance Anti-Aging Serum. So it has saffron flower and holy lotus. Now, usually in years past, the Glow came in this vial where you kind of break open the top and it's a liquidy form. So this is a serum. Oh yeah. It's like a lotion there. Oh, that smells good. I can't tell if it's from that or the Ritual of Ayurveda, the hand lotion there. A Christmas Glow. Reveal your inner glow and fight the first signs of aging with the Ritual of Namaste Serum. I have to say, so far, I'm really impressed with this calendar. We have a lip balm, some new shower gels, and a serum from Rituals. So that was 9. Now let's look for 10. 10 is the Christmas tree. That's why I was having a hard time finding it. All right, looks like we have another mist, and it's the Rituals of Jing, my favorite scent here that's kind of similar to the Rituals of Tao. And we have the the Deep Sleep Pillow Mist. Okay. A Christmas Dream Catcher. Enhance the quality of your beauty sleep with the Ritual of Jing Pillow Mist. Here's number 11. And we have the Nourishing Shampoo, the Ritual of Sakura. So we have conditioner and the shampoo now. A Christmas Combo. Enjoy the Ritual of Sakura shampoo and conditioner for nourishment and purity. 12 is right next to it. Oh, looks to be another votive. And let's see, this one is the Orris Mimosa. Oh, that one smells good. So far, I like this one better than the first two. The Third Sunday. Transform your home into a fragrance haven of violet and orris by lighting this candle on the third Sunday of December. This smells good. I like that one. For 13, we have a shower gel. The Ice Shower Gel. This is the Ritual of Samurai. Start your day empowered with the Ritual of Samurai Cooling Ice Shower. So I wonder if this does have a cooling effect to it. Here's 14, close by. Yeah, this is something that I can live without. I can already tell you what it is. It's not my favorite product, but I guess they have to have a filler in here. But it's a shower glove, and it's in red. Winter gloves. Treat yourself with a Christmas red scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin. You know, if this is the only thing that's not my favorite, I think you'll be okay. Here's 15. The Ritual of Jing, the Foaming Shower Gel. That's nice to have. Be sweet to your skin. This foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Jing brings calm and tranquility for body and soul. I mean, I have to say that it's not quite the same as the Rituals of Tao. There's just like one note that's different, but it has the same base to it. 16 is right here. We have a bar of soap, and I do love the Rituals bar of soap because I use soap to shave my legs, and this one doesn't get all goopy and get stuck in this soap dish. So let's see what flavor we got here. The Ritual of Karma, the soap bar. Holy Lotus and organic white tea. Holiday hospitality. Give your guests a luxurious experience for their entire stay with our boutique soap bar. Or just keep it for yourself, not for your guests. And for 17, we have another shower gel. It's the Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel, and it's the Ritual of Ayurveda, which is Indian rose and sweet almond oil. A balanced Christmas. Soothe body, mind, and soul with this foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Ayurveda. Day 18. Trying to find the easiest way to open it because I don't want to rip anything apart. It's a bright green bottle. Teal, I guess. The Ritual of Karma. And this is the Mild Body Scrub Paste. Okay, that's new. Christmas Magic. Do good for your skin and good will come your way with the shower scrub from the Ritual of Karma. Yeah, I do believe in karma. Day 19 looks to be another votive. Let's see if it will beat the last one. I believe is Orris Mimosa, I think. And this one's the Jade Vine. This one smells good. No, I still like this one, the Orris Mimosa, the third one. Warm your heart and soul with the elegant and floral notes of the Jade Vine on the fourth Sunday of December. Day 20 is the Christmas tree. It's so cute. Looks to be another mist, a body mist, and this is the Rituals, and it says Rituals, Tulip, and Jasmine Yuzu. Okay, this is from the Amsterdam collection. I believe this one was a new collection last year or the year before. A wondrous Christmas. With a spritz of body mist, imagine yourself surrounded by the wonders of the 17th century Amsterdam. 21. This is the Ritual of Sakura, the Magic Touch Body Cream. It's rice milk and cherry blossom. Magic of New Beginnings. Treat your skin with the magic touch of the Ritual of Sakura body cream. And you know, probably with some of these, I can probably group them together for Christmas gifts or a birthday gift. Just a few, because I like a lot of things in here so far. Let's see, was that day 21? I think that was day 21. And then day 22 is a Christmas tree. The last Christmas tree. Ooh. This is nice. It looks very glittery and shiny. This is the Ritual of Karma Soul Shimmering Body Oil. Okay. I mean, that's got some shimmer to it. A Christmas Sparkle. Reveal your inner festive sparkle with this body shimmering body oil from the Ritual of Karma. 23. We're almost done with this advent calendar. Oh. Okay, I hope this doesn't sound broken. All right, this is a diffuser. We got the sticks here. And I do have several other diffusers. I have one here, but you can't see. It's a big one. I believe that one's the Rituals of Tao. I do have a couple of these mini ones. These are the mini ones. Scent, this is... Jing, the Ritual of Jing. A Christmas Companion. A luxury treat with our new style mini fragrance sticks. Add the relaxing and calming scent of the Sacred Lotus and Jujube to your home. Alright, now the last day, day 24 from this beautiful advent calendar. And so you can kind of see how it looks like without all the houses on there. And I don't know if you can see the wires down there. Let me go ahead and turn it on before I open this. Can y'all see the lights there? There's off and there it is on. But let's open up the last one, day 24. Oh. That's a nice looking bottle. Looks to be perfume. Has the quality seal, and yes, it's eau de parfum. Perfume. And let's see, I don't know which scent this is. I do love the bottle. Ocean Infinity? Is that what I'm seeing? Let's read the box. A dash of elegance. Indulge your senses with lily of the valley and nashi pear, and invigorate your soul with the warmth of white musk. Ooh, I like a musky scent here. And it has like a wood top, pretty glass bottle. Okay, I'm gonna break the seal. I found some trash here on the floor, so I'm gonna just spray that. Okay, that smells good. It smells fruity to me, not musky. It doesn't smell perfumey. That makes sense. I'm not a perfume kind of gal, but this one does smell good. I don't know if I'd wear it. Probably just give this to somebody in my family. Well, all right. We did our first Advent calendar unboxing of the year 2021, and it's the Ritual of Advent. And I love it. I love the 3D version. I love the products that are in this calendar. Let me know what you guys think of this Advent calendar. I mean, I do love the Rituals product. There's maybe one or two scents that aren't my favorite, but a lot of these, I'm real happy with it. I'm real happy with it. Jumping back on here because I did some research, and these products are not the same as last year's. Just the design of the Advent calendars from last year's with the red motif, and this year's it's the same design but in yellow. So the products that we have in here are for this year, not from last year like I thought it would be. So I applaud Rituals for doing this because I'm loving the products that I'm seeing. Minus the red glove, of course, but I do like the color. Pretty much everything else I'm real happy with. So this is beautiful. I love this calendar, as you can tell. But anywho, thank you so much for watching me unbox this Beauty Advent Calendar by Rituals. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.